2018 Ford Escape block heater. There's a block heater recall on it. So what I'm doing is installing this threaded plug. So I'm taking off the block heater element. This is the threaded block heater. So I'm taking it out and installing this threaded plug, because the recall on it is the block heater leaks coolant. That's what I'm doing now. But to get access to the block heater cord, I had to remove the air filter housing like this. And all the pipes just to get access to the block heater cord.